This is how you install ChromeOS Flex on a Windows computer. So you go to the ChromeOS Flex help site, scroll down to select ChromeOS Flex installation guide. Next, it tells you as an admin, you can install Chrome OS Flex on Windows, Macs, or Linux devices. So it says before you begin, check to see if your device models are certified. What I usually do is scroll down to look for installation requirements. Here you'll see that it requires 4 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of internal storage. You need a bootable USB drive, and you need full admin access to the BIOS. There's some information about graphics cards prior to 2010, and so you scroll here and you'll see that for the USB drive that you'll need, all contents of the USB drive will be erased. So I'll click next. Here it tells you that you'll be installing a USB installer on a bootable USB device. You can use a drive, card, or a USB stick. And you'll also need to install the Chromebook recovery utility, which is available in the Chrome Web Store. So I'll click here. Then I'll click Add to Chrome, Add Extension. It's already added, so I'll click the extension. And it says that you'll need an 8 gig or larger USB flash drive or SD card. So I'm going to plug in my USB stick. Then I'll click Get Started. Here I already have a version of Chrome OS Flex installed, but in order to install Chrome OS Flex, you'll need to select Chrome OS Flex here, and then again here. You'll click Continue. You'll select your USB drive. You'll click Continue, and it says that all data will be deleted. That's fine. Go ahead and click Create Now. This process takes about 15 minutes, so I'll go ahead and fast forward through this process. So now it says your recovery media is ready. You can remove your recovery media now. So I'll go ahead and click Done and take out the USB stick. And the next thing you would need to do we're moving into step 3, is usually boot into your BIOS and make sure that you select your USB as the primary boot device. And once you start your computer with your USB plugged in, it'll automatically boot the Chrome OS Flex. And that's how you would install Chrome OS Flex.